Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to do a quick redo of the vases that we got at Dollar Tree. Remember these from my Dollar Tree video? First thing you're going to do is take your white chalk paint and paint the entire jar. Make sure you're getting all those little cracks and crevices. And to save time, I actually did 2 coats. I'm just going to show you the first one. It almost has like a basket weave look, so it looks really nice when it's painted with white chalk paint. And I just used a soft bristled brush to apply the chalk paint. I tried it with acrylic paint before. It doesn't have the same effect. You definitely need chalk paint for this project. Once you finish painting both coats on, you're going to take some sandpaper, and I used 2 different kinds because I wasn't sure which one was going to actually take off the paint. And you're just going to sand off lightly around the whole jar, and you kind of want to sand off where the pieces of the basket weave bump out, if that makes any sense. So you're not going to take all of the paint off, you just kind of want it to look chippy and aged. And I kept swapping back and forth between both sandpapers. One was a lighter grit and one was a tougher grit. And don't forget to do the sides at the top and the rim. And see how cute that turns out? Next, I just took some jute twine and I glued it all the way around the top half of the jar. And I just kept twisting until it was all covered. And then I glued that in place. Then I took the rest of the twine that I had and I just made a small bow. And I glued that to the front of the jar. Next, you can take any kind of florals that you like. This one I did sort of a summer look, and then the next one I did a fall look. And you can put whatever you'd like in here. You can change it out for the seasons and make them match your decor or whatever you want to do. I absolutely love the way this turned out. It's so cute and so versatile, and it can be used year-round. I hope you enjoyed this project, and please don't forget to sprinkle.